Stolen Mustang, torn down interior. There. Torn down interior. What does it all mean? It means your shifter's crap. That's what it means. Welcome everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. In today's video, we have a Burton Shifter upgrade in my brother's Mustang with a twist. So he took off to California for a vacation, and my dad and brother, my other brother, and I stole his car, put his birthday present in it, which is the Burton Shifter, and then put it back in his garage. He had it in storage. He never knew it was in there. And then the big reveal on his birthday, we put the old shifter in the birthday box, and he opened it, and there was confusion. You'll see at the end of the video. So in the next couple clips, you'll see a couple different style videos. We kind of review the Burton Shifter, as well as talk to my brother, because I sent him a bunch of videos of how we were stealing his car after the fact, so he could see what happened. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and thank you for your comments, by the way. One of the reasons I took so long to do a YouTube channel is because I was a little nervous about the comments, because they can be pretty harsh. But you guys are pretty awesome. Legit. I mean, I haven't had any negative, well, maybe one or two, but I'm very impressed with all the fantastic comments, the few that I have. So thank you guys for commenting and starting the conversation. Cars are about community. That's kind of my favorite part about it. So like, subscribe, comment, and we'll keep the content coming. Enjoy the content.
Hi, Uncle Joe. You don't know this. You're in California, just chilling in the nice, maybe sun. I don't know. But we just stole your car from your garage.
Yeah, we did.
We're gonna take.
Yeah, we did.
We're gonna just take it back to the shop.
Yeah, we are.
And just do some more work on it. But I'm barely moving it.
It's a lot of play.
That's not right at all. And we just have to fix that.
That can be better.
Yeah, that can be way better. We're just gonna fix that.
We're gonna fix that. Wow.
Wow! Look at
That
that
was
Shelby
a long
right there.
shift.
Yeah, look at that Shelby right there.
Ooh, that Shelby's pretty sweet.
Shelby all the way back there.
Yeah, Shelby's pretty
That's pretty nice. Yeah. We'll see you on the drive there. But what is those? What are those?
That there is a shifter that's got to go bye-bye. You let the steering wheel, that's your front tire.
You also got some tire problems. Yeah. Look at the butt of that car. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah.
Look at that.
You're going to get more of this more often. Of our car beating yours. Tires are bad.
Look. This is the stock Johnny. That's the stock boy right there. Yeah, it's junk. Yeah, but
I'll be right back, and then we'll skip the sweet corn out.
look at that. Look at that pork meat sandwich. Yeah, you'll feel that in the seat of your pants.
Ready?
Looks good to me. Yeah, so you gotta drop the exhaust to drop the drive shaft to get the shifter out from the bottom. It's not super straightforward. Not like the old school ones, the SN95s, where you just pop it out of the top. C'est la vie. Yeah, so here's the piece of junk that came out. What do you think of that?
Yeah, no, you can, because here's what we're gonna do.
So we're gonna stick this back in your birthday gift box. So you think this is the new part?
Right?
But it's not. We're getting closer. The shame about this part, it is a gorgeous piece of machinery that you never see other than the sticky uppy birdie handle. We're getting closer.
You don't know what to do?
I almost got that.
I thought you had it.
Y'all want to know what open header Mustang GT sounds like?
It's go time.
Get it. I'm a little nervous about this right now.
Oh man, this would be so freaking loud.
Oh boy.
This can back up just a touch.
This is good.
Just a little.
Sounds kind of good, actually. I do have to say, that is a fine looking piece. Look at that. Look at it. Looks good, feels good. I'm a fan. That's where it's at right there. Okay, rundown of Burton installation. It is, and we'll do some driving test also, but initial feel just on the adjustment, fantastic. Very, very good. Heck of an upgrade. If you're buying it from American Muscle, when they say it's an hour job with like 3 tools, screw that. We started at 10 a.m., 10:30?
No,
We started at 10.
Or you guys started at 10. I started at 10:30. It's, what time is it? 5 o'clock?
Yeah.
5 o'clock. It's an all-day job. Take the exhaust off, pull the drive shaft out, drop the transmission, pull the shifter out. I think you did that on purpose. Anywho, it's much more involved. Burton's website actually. He's doing it on purpose. Burton's website actually lists it correctly at 4 hours. If you were better than we are, maybe 4 hours. It's all
Yeah, but I
day.
think it's 4 hours with a lift. 4 hours
That's
of it
legit.
going right, it'd be.
Yeah. If you're a backyard mechanic in it and putting it on jack stands, it's an hour just to get the thing up in the air. Anywho, we're gonna go road test. Man, that car sounds good. That's Borla. Yeah, that's yummy. That's real yummy. Look at that thing. That is such an improvement. Makes the whole car feel tighter, stronger, better, more succinct, more direct. I like that at all. That should be from the factory. Burton upgrade, big success. So now we're gonna go tuck it back in my brother's garage. His birthday is in a couple weeks. We're gonna put the old shifter in the Burton box and let him open it up and see this old nasty shifter in the box. And he's gonna freak out a little bit. And we're just gonna say nothing. And we're just gonna sit there and wait for him to connect the dots that it's already in the car. Should be pretty fantastic. But this is a heck of an upgrade. If you're thinking about getting the Burton, do it. I have a 350 and this is very similar. Granted, the 350 has the Tremec transmission and this is the, don't want to say junk, but not quite as good as the Tremec. So it's not quite as solid feeling as the Tremec in the transmission itself. But as far as the throw and the feel and the notch, very 350-esque. I like it a lot. More to come.
Okay, so I don't know if those are going to be real, but.
Let's open again.
Alright, I'm opening the gift.
Do you know what it is?
I have no clue.
Not even a guess?
I even know what it
We're
is.
doing gifts anymore, but.
I know what it is. Now show out.
I know what it is.
New line.
It's upside down.
It's upside down.
It's upside down.
It's upside down.
You're
Don't.
doing it, you're
Doing it wrong.
There you go.
The box has been around the block.
It's been. Well,
This
I'll
has
tell
been
you
the
what it's been.
China and back.
China.
Yep. Most likely, not China.
Easy.
Don't cut yourself.
Don't.
Are you feeling any better, Goober?
Then
Like
an hour ago.
cutting into a deer.
I didn't talk to you an hour ago.
Getting a deer.
What is it?
You should know. You should have an idea.
Open it, Joe! It's a hoverboard.
Is it cigarettes?
Yeah.
What is it?
Don't be that confused.
It's not. It's.
Why am I so confused?
Box? I can't see. Get me in there, man.
I got
I
it.
have a scattered amount of parts.
Huh?
What?
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 What do you mean?
What do you mean?
There should be no scattering.
Wait.
What is that?
What the heck?
Should I know what this is? Because I don't.
You got, Dad, you got the new one, right?
You get the
I
old
thought
one.
you got that.
Jason, is that stock?
That looks like a stock shifter to me. There's nothing impressive about that.
Be joking me.
Look, there's your ball.
You got him the new
I
one,
found your
right?
ball.
I thought they were in your purse.
I have it right here.
So.
This could only mean one thing.
That's
Did you-
your shifter.
Out of your car.
No, it's not.
Go look.
The other one's already in it.
You shall not be named.
I was just in it. I didn't even freaking notice.
You owe me a quarter. You owe me a quarter.
I got in
Quarter.
the hood.
I
I got
know.
in the pop hood and didn't even look over it. You guys have been in my car?
We stole your car, ran it to the shop, took 8 hours
You
to
took my
put that in.
Yeah. Look, we were there too. We were there.
I got
too.
video. We got video.
You guys put it in Where's the key? Where's the key?
You guys are like, I don't know.
Hey, you guys.
Oh my gosh.
I'm on the way. Yeah.
Ship that bad boy.
Dude.
Jason.
Oh my gosh, that is ridiculous.
Isn't that so good?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to leave it.
We gotta tighten down that handle.
Oh my gosh, dude, I love this. You push down for reverse. Push down. And that is the top of the line, buddy. You can't buy a better shifter than that. This thing is awesome. You guys are amazing.
There you have it. One of my favorite parts about cars and the car culture is the connection to people. It's about community. It doesn't matter what race you are, it doesn't matter what religion you are, it doesn't matter what your background is, it doesn't matter where you come from, if you're rich or poor. People bond over cars. You pull up to a gas station, you're talking to a random stranger just because of the car. Unless it's a Pontiac Aztek. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Till the next one. Peace out.